Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. This should be the first week of February, so happy February. So the challenge for the month is bread. I'm a little bit of a disadvantage because I've been trying to change up my diet and cut out stuff like that. So I'm making a quesadilla. I'm using these carb balance shells again. Well, I think that was upside down. So carb balance. Actually, I don't think it's a quesadilla because it's going to be a tortilla shell grilled with cheese and another one on top of it. There was a name for it, but I forget what it was. But I'm just going to go with quesadilla for now. If I think of it later, maybe I'll change the title. We'll see. So let's get to it. Actually, you might already be here to hear the frying. I get the chicken on right away. So this is ground chicken with some sloppy mama, paprika, and then some garlic. The usual suspects. I'm also meal prepping for work, but this is ground chicken. Oh, the damn paper did get in there. Alright, put in some taco seasoning. Let's put a little water in there too. Let that cook off. Okay, so unfortunately I haven't got I've only got the one skillet. So I'm just gonna have to make do. One cast iron skillet. I mean, I have a small one, but that's too big for these little shells. So yeah. So as you can see, I'm using some supportware. Tortilla shell. I'm going with cheddar cheese, because it's what I got mine down on hand. It's also my favorite. I'll also be throwing on a little bit of feta cheese as well, because I bought it. I was going to make something last week and I just never got around to it. So it might seem like a weird thing to add. You know, it's like, I don't want it to go bad, you know, because it's basically I'd just be throwing it away. So, it might be good too. So, who knows? It's tomato and basil feta. I'm just gonna put a little meat. I'm gonna cook another chop and put it on here. But first, I'm gonna grill this one up. I made a lot because I'm doing meal prep for the week too. So that's why it might seem like there's a lot. You're staring right at me, but I was going to add some tomatoes as well. These are just cherry tomatoes. I'm just, again, trying to use them up before they go bad. Otherwise, I'll just be throwing them away and it's a waste of food. Alright, so the bottom is done. So I get that. Well, I'm just going to do it this way. Well, got a little too much butter in there. Oop. Sorry, bumped the tripod. You going to cooperate? You're going to spill half my toppings out. Well, I didn't lose half my toppings, but I gotta lower the heat. I'm just going to do this top one. All you do is just grill it and then melt the cheese, and I'll put it on top of the other one. So this one's done now too. I'll show you what I'm talking about with this. Although, hang on, I gotta set that aside. Kill the heat for a minute. Because I wanted to put some avocado in here. I believe a couple commenters said they didn't like avocado, but I actually really like avocado. And it's, you know, it's the good fats. I think technically it's a fruit like tomato because it has a seed in it. I'll usually get avocado before I'll buy like that pre-made guacamole, because one that guacamole's got onions in it, but I just don't think it tastes as good. So at the top here, and there we go. Now, if there's a proper name for this, let me know in the comments. I was just calling it a quesadilla because I'm not sure. We got melty cheese, seasoned chicken, tomato, avocado, and a little bit of feta cheese, and I also made myself a nice little green salad. What is actually just romaine chopped up. Some cherry tomatoes in there. Because I'm trying to eat more green, plus I'll need the fiber with all that cheese. There we go. Got a little ranch dressing, because it has no sugar. Alright, so this is low carb, but not necessarily low fat, because of the cheese and the, whatchamacallit. The chicken is low fat. I think cheese is the only thing that has fat in it. Other than the avocado, but that's, you know, like I said, that's a good fat. I'll give this a taste. I was watching Shane Coffee this weekend because I fell behind a little bit on this video, so first right bite rule. Yeah, that's really good. Really good, actually. I'm digging that. I guess that was 2 bites. So, I think that's the opportunity to thank you for watching. This is delicious. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my lunch. Have a great rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one. If you have any questions about my diet, just let me know. I still got to work on videos for you guys, so. But this is probably, you know, you can totally include this one in the low carb section. So, take it easy. We'll catch you in the next one.